We need to get in focus. Focus. There we go. The great move is upon us. The great move is upon us. That is all I have to say. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, what is up, beautiful people? It's your girl Rashima here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video on my channel, Rashima Lemia. In today's video, I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about something. Not really talk, more so show. This video is to show you guys that your girl is moving. What's that? Moving. I am moving, honey. So if you've been following my channel for a while, I haven't been posting consistently, but I come on and I drop a few things and then I leave, but your girl wants to get more consistent. So if you saw my last video is where I told you that I joined the crew of those who resigned from their careers, and I am taking time to go and travel, live my best life outside of the US for a certain period of time. Now, I don't know how long that time is going to be. I don't have that all planned out. I know where I'm starting and we are going to go from there. I wanted to just give you guys a little snippet of what my moving journey has been like so far. I have packed up the majority of my stuff at this moment, but I will insert some clips so that you can see how some of my packing process has gone so far. You guys, my house is a mess. The stuff in the sink needs to be washed, but I just took dishes out of the dishwasher, about to pack them in these boxes. I've taken everything out of the cabinets except for that. I'm going to use that until I leave. All of my plates and stuff, I took them out. Everything is gone. Making sure there's nothing up there. There we go. I have cleared this out. Let's just make sure. Yes, it's cleared. And I have not cleared out my spice closet just as of yet. As you can see, the Gallywell season. The Gallywell season. All right, so I have no idea where to start or to finish. So I cleaned out my office cabinet up there. I need to remove the stuff from over there. All of my little decorations, the knickknacks that I had on my table are over there. So I'm gonna continue working on all of this and we shall see what it looks like. Oh, and all the stuff up there is appliances that I'm gonna donate to Goodwill. I have some cups. I had a blender, but I broke the blender part, but I have the food processor part. Some cups. I have this little food processor here, and yeah, I'm gonna donate it. Peace. The majority of my stuff, I would say, is packed. The only things that are not packed are some of my dishes, because I need dishes to live so I can eat my food. I have some spices. Everything in my spice closet is still there. As far as everything else goes, my couch is gonna get moved tomorrow. My bedroom furniture is gonna get moved tomorrow. The only thing that I have in my bedroom right now is my dresser, but it's empty. My faux plant, my curtains that are gonna stay up there because I cannot sleep in the daytime, and I need my darkening shades, and my bed. But my bed's gonna get moved tomorrow, and these are some clothes that I'm gonna force into my suitcase. The closet is clear except for the clothes that I'm gonna wear to work, and everything that was under here is moved. The only stuff that's in my bathroom is the stuff that I need to stay this final week. My closet has been cleaned out. All of this stuff is ready for your girl to go. Keep on watching. I just wanted to come on and show you guys how I'm able to pack all of my things out of my 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. I have my bed stuff, my dresser, my sectional, my mattress, and here are all of my little bins. I just have 2 more to put in, and I have a few like random items at my house that I need to put away. So here we go. There we go. And we're all set. Still have ample room in there. Okay, doing my final walkthrough. Here are the keys, the key fob for the gate, my set of keys, The extra set of keys are in there. Let's see. There they go. Those are the extra keys. And I'm gonna do a walk through the apartment. Here we go. Just some leaves here. It's clear back here. Everything's good. No dents in the walls. Everything's good. There's a big wasp in here. I'm gonna get these shoes out when I leave. Here's the stairs. Okay. The walls are clean. All right, everything is clear. Okay, we're just gonna walk around the apartment. There appears to be a little wetness on the walls. I was trying to spray the wasp. Everything's clean. The windows are closed and locked. I'm gonna say the bathroom. The bathroom is clean. Everything is clear. The bedroom is clean. Okay. Try not to get the wasp. But it's clean in there. And I don't know where he went. But everything in the kitchen is clear. That's the ice tray. The stove is clean. Stove is clean. Microwave is clean. The fridge is clean. Okay, there's nothing in any of these cabinets. Nothing. Not a thing. Turn off the light. Nothing's there. There's nothing on the bottom either. Okay. There's nothing in the pantry. Okay. Here's the laundry room. It's clean. Okay, everything's done. That's it. And we're out. I'm gonna leave that cleaning supplies and this wasp spray just in case they come in and he's still buzzing about. I'm gonna get my shoes and my portable charger, and that's that.